Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Monday, 11th March 2024 and our topic today na hands wey get anointing. Our memory verse dey for Luke chapter 4 verse 40 and e talk say, as day dey dark, everybody wey get people wey no well come bring dem come meet Jesus. He touch dem for heads and dem come well. Our Bible reading dey for Exodus chapter 17 verse 8 to 13. Amalek people come attack Israel people for refugee. So Moses tell Joshua, make you go choose some men for us so that una go fight Amalek people. Tomorrow I go stand on top the hill with God's stick for my hand. So Joshua fight Amalek people just as Moses tell am. Then Moses, Aaron and Hur come go top of the hill. Anytime when Moses carry him hands up, Israel people go dey win. But when he bring him hand down, Amalek people go dey win. When Moses hands don tire am, Aaron and Hur come give am stone make e sit down. Then dem come hold him hand, one person for the right and another person for the left. So him hand come dey up until evening. Like this, Joshua win Amalek people and their soldiers. Now the message. If you see man of God dey touch people with their hands and those people come well, na because say their hand don touch God fire. Ordinary hand fit turn hand wey carry anointing if dem don touch God fire. For Exodus chapter 3, when Moses throw him stick for the holy ground, the stick turn to snake and God come ask am make he pick the snake for the tail. As Moses bend down to carry the snake, na so him own hand come touch the ground too. And from that day, him hand come dey special. For Exodus chapter 17 verse 8 to 13, we see as him hands dey decide wetin go happen for the war between the Israel people and Amalek people. Anytime when he raise him hand up, Israel people go dey win. But when him hand come dey heavy and the hand come dey fall, the Amalek people go dey win the war. Aaron and Hur dey with am. Two of them get 4 hands, but dem know say Moses hand wey don touch holy ground dey different from their own well. So instead make dem carry their own hand up, dem decide to help Moses take raise him own hands up. For Exodus chapter 14 verse 16, God tell Moses, but make you yourself raise your stick, come take and divide the Red Sea, so that Israel people go waka pass for dry ground. God don anoint Moses hand, so he command am make he raise them, so dem go fit divide the Red Sea. So for Exodus chapter 14 verse 12, when Moses stretch him hands for the sea no get choice but to divide it to 2. For Deuteronomy chapter 34 verse 9, those hands also pass wisdom enter inside Joshua. Now, Nun pikin Joshua get wisdom well because Moses don pray for am. So Israel people dey obey Joshua and dem dey do God command wey he give them through Moses. God power turn ordinary thing into extraordinary thing. If you read John chapter 9 verse 1 to 7, where Jesus be see one man wey dey born blind, na so he spit for ground, he come gather sand from am, he come anoint the man eye. Ordinary sand fit turn to anointed sand. E only depend on the hand wey the sand dey o. Your own hand fit dey anointed today, but first you must make sure say your hand dey holy. According to Psalm chapter 24 verse 3 to 4, Bible talk say na only those people wey get holy hands na dem fit enter God hill where dem go fit get connection with God fire. Wetin make we think about for today message be say your hands dey holy, so na only those people wey their hands dey holy na dem God fire fit dey for their hands o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
His stripes he led me.